I want to talk about why I gave up a house to live in an RV. Living in North America is expensive. Most places in Canada and the United States are becoming super unaffordable for most people. I used to think that I wanted this huge house, massive closet, and tons of stuff because I thought it would make me happy. The more stuff I got, the more miserable I became, not to mention how humongous my bills were getting. So I gave it all up to live in this trailer. And I couldn't be happier. My cost of living in here is so much dramatically lower than I ever thought possible, which makes me wish that I did it sooner. We found a piece of land in British Columbia, which already had a pretty cool retro 1960s cabin on it, and now we use that for guests. We put this RV down on it to live in it while we're in Canada and not traveling. Our backyard is full of trees, walking trails, and mountain ranges. The front yard is a beautiful lake with sandy beaches. The trailer itself is 300 square feet, and yes, there's a pretty decent shower and closet. It's comfy, cozy, and it's really all we need to be happy. We get our water from the lake. Our fridge, our stove, our hot water tank, even our heat, it all runs on propane. Our bills are so insanely low in here, I don't know why we didn't do it sooner. For me, downsizing was the best thing I ever could have done. I don't get it. Why spend all of your money on bills? I want to travel and fill my life with as many experiences as possible. By moving into this RV, our cost of living has gone down by 90%. What we used to pay to fund our life for only 1 month now pays for the whole year. Having 90% lower bills means we've been able to do a lot of really cool things, like visit Bali for 2 months, or fly business class on Qatar Airways, even a 1-month-long road trip throughout the States. I'm not saying this is the best way to live. And hey, if you want your dream house, go for it. But if you find yourself working just to pay your bills, then something's gotta change. You should know that there are other options out there. And creating more debt and bills doesn't have to be one of them. Do I regret selling 90% of my stuff and living in an RV? Absolutely not. We only live one life, and I don't want mine to revolve around paying bills. That doesn't sound like a life to me. Truth be told, I love living this way, and I wouldn't trade it for the world.